Welcome back everyone. Hope you are enjoying this HTML video tutorial series. I know I haven't been able to publish content frequently as I wanted, but I will try to have some videos uploaded frequently. Anyway, in this video tutorial, I will be going to show you some stuff about preformatted text, and this video is going to be short. I believe you have been playing around with HTML and you might have come up to the point where you try to add a lot of spaces and lots of line breaks, but you might not be seeing so in your browser. For example, if we have hello and I add lots of spaces here and do world, and if I save it, see there's just only one space. Again, if I add more spaces here between W and O and save again, we're still gonna have only one spacing. Also, if you try to add line breaks, lots of line break, and type something like keep learning HTML with me, and if I save it, you can see that this keep learning HTML with me, even though we added lots of line breaks here, it just shows with hello world in an inline. So you might be wondering how we can achieve this. So one way to do that would be obviously to have a P, and we can just have it like this and add some BR tags, multiple BR tags, so that we can have it shown up in like different lines. I mean, we have line breaks here, and for having lots of space we can use HTML entities. That's something I'll go in future videos, so we can do something like this, but it's not definitely the right way to do this, but I'm just showing this for example here. You won't be doing this, but this is just for demonstration purpose. This is the one way to do it, but today I made this video to show the preformatted text, and for that we use pre tag. It's like it has opening tag and closing tag. And now if I do like, let me save this first, so there's nothing here, and if I do hello and I add lots of space and WORLD, and again I add lots of space and button these, and I save my file, now you can see hello world, and there's bunch of spaces in between hello and world, as well as W and O. And you might also notice that the font has been changed from regular to monospace, and there's some spacing. Alright, and we can add the line breaks as well. Alright, and this is all about preformatted text. This is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial video. Keep learning HTML. I'll be back with some more HTML videos. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.